Well, the director of the Polk County Health Department says she's very concerned about the future of COVID vaccines.
Yeah, that's because Federal Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has gutted the CDC vaccine program. And there is a fear by some the CDC will limit affordable COVID-19 vaccines this fall. KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel is live outside of the Polk County Health Department this evening with more on these concerns. Todd.
Now, Jody and Laura, the revamped CDC committee, we're told, will meet now next week to determine the future of the recommendations for the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, health experts say anything short of a full COVID vaccine availability is what they call a recipe for a health disaster.
If you're confused about this topic, you are not alone. Not only are we as a health department waiting for answers, but we know all of us collectively are kind of holding our breath to see what's going to happen here.
Polk County Health Director Julianne Van Loo is worried. She's a supporter of the COVID-19 vaccine along with other life-saving vaccines. And next week, she fears the newly revamped CDC might limit the availability of the COVID vaccine.
It is startling to find ourselves in this situation. I would have never dreamed a few years ago that I would be standing here talking about, rescinding access to COVID vaccines, especially when they have saved hundreds of thousands, if not a million or more lives in the United States since the pandemic's onset.
Federal Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has said he is skeptical of vaccines. His FDA commissioner agrees.
Some say we should just close our eyes and blindly rubber stamp COVID vaccines in perpetuity every year without any updated clinical trial data. We've said we want a clinical trial.
I'm extremely concerned about this.
Dr. Nate Boonstra is a Des Moines pediatrician and the chair of Iowa Immunizes. He says the CDC should follow science, not politics, and science says COVID vaccines are safe.
We know that if vaccination levels drop below a certain point, that our country, that everybody is going to be at risk of increased outbreaks of these diseases. We've already seen record cases of measles this year.
Dr. Boonstra and the director of the Polk County Health Department both urge any people with questions to contact their doctor to get the latest and the best information on COVID vaccines or any kind of a vaccine. We're live in Des Moines. Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.